everyone. Once again, I'm Maggie Fleckner with CW39 Houston. We continue to monitor what is now Tropical Depression Beta. Definitely packing a punch, especially for our area. We are under a flash flood warning in effect until 4:45. Let's see some of the damage we've already had because of Tropical Depression Beta. You're taking a live look. This is the South Freeway at Holly Hall. No, that's not a river. That is the South Freeway. As you can see, traffic is blocked in both directions due to flooding. If this doesn't convince you to stay put, I don't know what will. We do have a reporter headed that way to give us a live report and more details. Another area of town that has already seen flooding as well, and we are concerned that there is flooding in homes, is the Clear Creek area. So let's look at these photos. These photos are of homes along Scarsdale near Clear Creek. Actually, Harris County meteorologist Jeff Lindner, he's with the Harris County Flood Control District, he shared these photos on Twitter, and it's truly heartbreaking. Look at all of that water. And they said during a press conference earlier with Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo that they are getting reports that there is water in some homes, so they're sending engineers out there. And we're concerned because we still have about 24 hours. We're not out of the woods yet. Although it's been weakened to a tropical depression, we still are looking at more rain. And because of this, I want to send it right over to meteorologist Andrew Shipley. And Andrew, I mean, we see those images. It just makes me sick to my core. And what can we expect? And are they going to see more rain in that area?
You know, unfortunately, I think they are going to see more rain here, Maggie. And we're not done with this yet. We maybe got another 24 hours of rain potential left in this system. Again, now tropical depression, but don't let that fool you. Even though it's a tropical depression, that still means we're going to still see a lot of rain, just not so much of the windy conditions. Now, right now, we do have those flash flood warnings all across of Houston, all the way down towards Pearland, down towards basically right along Clear Creek there. Again, look at some of these rainfall totals, 13.7 inches of rain in the last 24 hours down towards League City there. So again, a ton of rain, and we've seen that intersection you just showed a little while ago. Yeah, 12.8 inches right at Holly Hall and 288 and 610 there. And just in the Clear Creek area, the water level of Clear Creek right now at 8.73 feet near League City. And if just for comparison's sake, Ike, that was 11 feet. Harvey was 16. So we're getting close to that Ike level in that region, and we still got rain on the way. Now, luckily, a lot of the heavier rains are still off to the north of that area, but doesn't mean we're not out of the woods quite yet. We still have these training bands going over the same areas, after the same areas, and that was what we've seen since last night as Beta continues to slowly drift northward. But we got one band just north of town. We got another one basically right just through Galveston, right through downtown right now. And again, so we're still looking at heavy rains at times, but really Beta's not moving all that fast, only at 2 miles an hour to the northeast. Now, good news is, though, we are going to start to see some movement from Beta. If we kind of zoom things out, there's a little dip in the jet stream that will slowly kick this on out tomorrow, but we're still looking at maybe another 24 hours of this, Maggie.
Feels like we are in it for the long haul. 2020, never ending.
Yep.
The first day of fall, and
Sure
instead of wearing my booties, I had to wear my rain boots.
Yep.
You know what I mean? And it's just like, goodness gracious. But you know what? Like I say, we'll get through this
Yep,
together.
absolutely.
We always do. And thank you for all of the work that you do. Now, we do want to show you another live look. Let's take a live look at the East Tex Freeway at Hopper. Yeah, we have an accident over there. You'll notice that lanes are blocked. I believe this is actually from an earlier accident. So I do recommend that you take the side streets if at all possible. If you can stay home, though, Judge Lina Hidalgo and I agree, just try and stay home for the next 24 hours. No need to be out and about if you don't have to. In the meantime, we are CW39 Houston. No wait, weather and traffic.